Hi friends, in today's video, I will share with you how you can host your website or portfolio without paying a single penny out of your pocket. For that reason, you need to have a GitHub account. So that is free as well. So with your GitHub account, you need to open a open repository or public repository. You can see this is my GitHub account and I have multiple repositories. Out of those, one is my portfolio. It's public. Just for the video, I will once again create a new repository and show you step by step how you can host your website as well. To know that, you need to be with me till end of the video. Okay, so let's start. I'm creating a new repository. Let me give a name my portfolio. Okay, and my portfolio, and I will click on this create repository. It will get created. Yeah, it's created, and this is the new URI for that. Now I will show you. Already I have saved all the stuffs, like whatever I am going to publish. This is my portfolio information, and this is the index.html. You can see this is the information which I am going to host. Okay, it's my professional information. Everything is present here, and also one particular image is there, my portfolio image. So it will be added part of the website. So right now for this particular folder, Git is not initialized. So I will initialize that. I will do Git init. I will add the files to commit. I will do the initial commit with any commit message you can provide. Let it be initial. There is a typo. Initial commit. Yeah. So it's committed. Now I will push the changes to my repo. So for that reason I will copy the URL, the newly created git URL, and I have selected http. So I will copy this one. I will use git push and this, but it will not work because this particular local repo is not yet connected to the upstream branch. Okay, I mean the GitHub. For that reason, you need to set the upstream branch and mention the particular branch as well. That's what it says. Like the current branch master has. So I have a master branch in my local, but has no upstream branch. In particular GitHub, whatever repo I have created, nothing is present called master. So I need to link that, right? For that reason, I will use this command like git push setup upstream to this particular git repository URL and master branch. So I copy that and press enter. You will see everything is pushed to my git repo, okay, with the master branch. So if I refresh here, you will see both the files are present now. Fine. Now I will go back to the option called set. Not go back, like for the first time I'll click this settings option. Okay, so if you see here, there are multiple options on left side panel. Out of those, I'll click on pages, and on pages you will find a section called build and deployment, and there under this build and deployment you have an option called branch. So for me, everything is there in master branch, right? So I'll select master and keep it as it is, like the root, and save it. So if I save it, then it will start to host my portfolio. Okay, so it takes some time, but just for surety I will check that whatever changes I push, that build is successful. Okay, so it's still pending. If there is a failure, then it will not work. So we need to be sure that build is successful. Okay, so let's see if it is working. Yeah, it's some build and deployment pipeline is there, it's in progress. So till then it will hold. And again, if you go back to the pages, if everything works fine, you will see the new particular URL what you can share with anyone to show your portfolio or website. Okay, so as I mentioned, until the build is successful you will not get that. So let's wait for some time to get the build passed. Okay, here is build. I don't know why. Pages, build and deployment. What's the details? Let's click on that. Deploy to GitHub Pages. There is a problem with the public build version. Deployment failed. Try again. GitHub Pages. in this workflow run. So it's some internal problem from GitHub. So we can try to rerun the job. Let's see if it works. Okay, I have clicked rerun, so it will start the job once again. And because it failed, so we'll not get that URL even. Okay. Meanwhile, what I can show you, like if you see if the particular step is successful, similar to my portfolio. Let me go back to my portfolio. Yes. If you click here, you will find under the pages this URL, like your site live onto this particular URL. So if you click there, you will see the particular website is hosted. Okay, and every details is present there, and you can share this URL to anyone. That's the plan. Okay, that we can use. So let's see if in that portfolio too, if the issue is resolved. I mean, in my portfolio repository, if the build issue is resolved, then we can see that it's successful. Or else, let's keep it short. No, it's not yet resolved. Okay, so idea is that you need to have a repository, and in that repository, go to that setting section. Okay, and you need to have a branch with all the information, and if everything is pushed, just click on settings and then pages. Select your branch to main master and save it. It will be available to host. Okay, I hope this information was helpful. You can share with anyone who wants to host their portfolio or website for free, and enjoy for today. Thank you. Bye.